Get around now.
Hello. You in the vlog.
Okay. Oh. Okay, give me a minute. Anyways, here we are. We are on the plane right now. Look at that. It says Hawaiian Airlines. We're getting ready to fly to Hilo tonight, or right now actually. And we're flying from Honolulu to Hilo. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And I hope it's good. I hope it's fun. And now we're probably gonna get a safety demonstration and we're gonna get on our way. And I'm very excited to go.
Back in Colorado, baby, 17 years we were childish playing. We had time to make good night. We push back all our problems daily. Polaroid shots in the mountains, baby. We had time to make good night. So we were high. We had a radio love. We said we'd never, ever, ever let it go. No, in our mirage. We were perfect as fuck, making dreams about our lives up in the stars. Yeah, yeah, babe.
Look at that.
Volcanoes located in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. They're not open right now, but in the future, the next year, perhaps you can make a visit there. Hawaii Volcano National Park.
Is it still open?
I don't know. As you folks have seen outside the aircraft, the volcano has been erupting continuously
Yeah.
since 1983. And is adding more land mass to the Big Island each year. Kilauea.
We're here. It's raining. We saw the volcano from the plane. It's really cool. These are huge. Oh my gosh. They're humongous. Pineapple sausage. What? Like, I don't get it. Is it like
There's pineapple in it.
on it? In it. Look at how freaking big this is. This is comparison in size to my hand. It's so big. At the caves, we're gonna go in them. Look at my lemon shirt. Isn't that cute? It was $6 at Forever 21. Look at my backpack I just bought today. It's really cute. Holds all my stuff in it. And we just got a really, really nice, cool Uber driver guy. Lyft. His name was Maximilian. And we called him Max. And he drove us to the caves. And he was all like, oh, I'm gonna be a personal driver and all this stuff. So he's gonna be our personal driver. And we're gonna go in the caves.
He picked us up from our hotel.
You won't steal it or what?
Huh?
There's like things on this toilet so you won't steal it or what?
Maybe. And then, yeah. And then we got into the car. He was just like, oh, it was funny because my friends back there were making a joke. Like, you know the song Havana? Savannah, we got an Uber for Savannah. It was really funny though.
Now we're gonna go to the caves. Maximilian's gonna
Gonna
probably
come, hopefully with his dogs.
He's gonna be our personal driver for the rest of the day. How cool is that? I think that's super cool, man. Yeah. Morning. Look at this morning. We're walking in the woods. Enter and exit this side.
I know, right?
Pumped. We didn't get bit for sure. This is a place to wear leggings.
Okay.
Oh wow, look at that. That is so cool. It's so cool, man. Thank you. Whoa.
By the way, there are spring pinkies that are really skinny.
That long?
Spring pinkies that are
there's the entrance. We just came down. Look at how it looks. Whoa. We're gonna go in.
Come on, snap them.
We're here. We're in the cave right now. We're gonna walk. It's pretty cool though. I don't know if you can see that, but we're walking. And yeah, it's cool.
I think you need to start from somewhere else.
Pitch black, bro. It's crazy. We did it. We finished the caves. It was fun. It was nice. It was a little bit rainy, but it was good. And now we're waiting for our friend. Carefully, go, go, go. Why did the chicken cross the road? Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? Hey, bro.
No, he's
No,
running.
no, come back. Hey.
Yeah, the Makulu Farmers Market's a little bit further out there, but they have so much more variety, and
Yeah.
it's right out by where the lava is, like maybe a
Oh,
couple
really?
miles, yeah,
That's so cool.
a couple miles away. At nighttime, you can see the glow.
Yeah, I think we saw it on the plane. Yeah.
No, I don't want to. I just want to look at it. Or you can stand there. It's gonna go near me. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh my gosh, look. We're in their meeting. I'll vlog now. We snuck into a resort. Woo! And well, here we are. We found turtles and dolphins and stuff. And like the dolphins were like really beautiful. Where? Look, that one's bigger. They're so cute. There's a video of the dolphins all covered. It was amazing. I cried. I almost cried. Freaking dolphins. They're so beautiful. Look at them. They're gonna meet. They're gonna meet. Look. It's like underwater mingle. Like they're meeting on like Tinder. It's so cute. Look, 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 look.
And different for each individual dolphin.
That's so cool.
Just like our thumbprint is for each human. That way,
Not with your sandy hand.
On, I don't even know what beach we're on right now. Do you remember what this beach is called? Same, I don't remember. But we're on a cool beach right now. Oh, Wapuna Beach. And this is the background that we're at right now. Super cute. And there's the water and some cliffs. And yeah, we're here, chilling out. Eating some food with our new friend Max. Look at this. Looks delicious. Got some guac. Got some. What did I get inside my can?
Chicken,
Bacon blue bacon and cheese. And look at that.
Chicken.
Look at it. And they got a beer.
What's it called? I
Not
don't
good.
even know.
Oh, something Pilsner. And we're in a cute little place.
It's lit.
It's lit. Holy hummus! You know it! So proud!
Here she is.
Don't cry! Don't cry! Don't crash! It's our last day in Hilo. We're here. I know. And it's a really nice day. It's sunny. Nothing like the friggin' weather says ever. And here we are at the beach sitting on this little thingy right here. Gonna chill out and stuff. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And then spend the rest of this time until we go for our flight tonight, which is around like 6 something, and then we're off to Kauai. But yeah, so that's what we're doing for the time being. I don't want to swim because I don't want to get my bathing suit underneath wet because I want to be comfortable on this flight. But yeah, here we are, just chilling out at the beach. Yeah. Hi, baby. I don't even know how to explain this situation right now on vlog. Where's some doggos? Hi, baby. So cute. Hi. I didn't forget about you.
Come. Yep. Oh, it's okay. Oh, 2 dogs.
I know. We're leaving.
Wait, take a selfie.
Okay, ready?
Oh, hold on, put this money away. I feel like
Okay. Okay, got lots.
Cool.
Bye.